Tinintay mo mag-reset. Pwede mong pangatlong beses pag tumatakbo yung ano nila, yung binaburot mo.
2 beses ko lang dapat.
Tuloy ka.
Ano ba yan? Demon?
Nasa iyo party lead Sushi.
Ganun pala yun, hindi ko alam.
Ang weird nga yan, men eh. Actually, late ko na lang din nalaman yan.
Yung hood ko para saan to?
Anti-heal yan man. So, kung sino man binabrol mo, lagyan mo lang yan.
Okay.
Healer, maganda.
Try to dismount sa likod nila.
Mount up.
Wait.
Cedric, mount up, Cedric.
Food. Dismount.
Gagi, walang mount si Cedric.
Mount.
Dismounted on West. Choke.
Mount guys, mount muna. Nasaan sila? West?
West choke,
West.
middle.
West staircase.
Found them.
Go inside guys, go inside. Swan, everybody. Swan. Kayo. Come in. Go in. This area. Ready on the healer. 3, 2, wait. 1, healer. Roll the healer. Find the healer. Explode, keep rolling. Dalawahin na Zen 3 tapos i-isumi. Try to mark Zen.
Def.
Go. Wait, Judy, drop.
Dropping Judy.
Stabilize sa Judy. May CD ba kayo? Pahil.
Hindi ako makakasting. Hype na all fish to.
Wait ka. Reset. Sabi niya, reset. Reset.
Ayaw tumigil.
Reset.
May Oathkeeper sila. Kaya nila i-absorb. May Judy ba tayo?
May Judy ako, pre.
Sige lang.
Hindi ko magamit assassin hood ko.
Wait. Let me find the healer. Wait. Come. Each back. Dito tayo sa open area. Pull them here. Come east. Wait. Let them go in. Heal sunset. Palagyan nga ng malonggay set. Ready. Wait. Spread. Ready. Go inside in. Wait. Roll the front line. Okay, ready. Go inside now. Find the healer.
Def. Gay. Good.
Okay.
Dropping Judy.
Saka dito ang mag-drop sa loob. Dito kayo sa loob. Blow niyo yung healer. Try Isumi. Kill Isumi. Okay, dropping Judy. Stabilize yung Judy.
Kaya mo mag-hit?
Okay, ready on me. 3, 2, 1. Isumi. Kill this. Kill item.
All fish sa likod.
Slash naman. Bro.
Ready. Def.
Wait. May CD kayo. Just blow. Okay, ready. Just kill. Chase them.
East daw. Reset. Patay nyo yun. Wala makakakita.
Ay, sorry.
Yun no. Ganyan dapat ang pagtulagan. Pinatay pa namin si Mark.
Uy, trash talker.
Uy, wizard.
Trash talker ka.
Wag mo na ganyan, wizard. Bilog pa ang laban, wizard.
Si Wizard siya. Ay, hindi ko kaya kilala.
Yan eh. Come southeast.
Heron ke.
Pull them southeast, guys. Southeast. Listen.
Southeast.
Oy, listen to the caller. Listen to the caller.
Listen, guys. Ba't nandyan yung...
Ito.
Ayaw, southeast. Masikip yan.
Binakap. Higard.
Stop.
Pa-assist yung frontline habang umatras ha.
Yeah.
Get ready
Roll
for
lang
that,
yan.
ha?
Wait.
Uloy.
Okay, engage na. Go inside, ah. Wait. Brawl nga, brawl old fish, brawl old fish. Kasama brawl old fish. Ready. We go inside, find the healer. Go inside. Oh, you ready. Drop. Wait. Drop. Nice outside.
Shit.
Roll the backline homestead. Okay, dropping duty. Stay wala siya na
Old fish ah, healer natin, binabrawl ni Old fish.
Wait, paano nga? Papil, Z, papil. Tulungan mo siya ng using, or patulungan using. We chase them. Okay, ready. Drop in 3, 2, 1, drop. Roll. Keep rolling. Chase them.
Reset mo na.
Alis na.
Reset mo na.
Tayo nyo to.
Patay nyo ninyo na, hindi pa napatay.
Stop.
Si Gramans oh, patay na ninyo. Maganda pre, maganda.
Ano tayo dito? Hindi kita makita kanina. My bad.
Okay lang, bro tayo.
Gagi pre,
Full brawl ba
ang ganda ng laban.
Bro, club tayo, pre.
Bro,
Actually-
try nyo hanapin si Sushi as much as possible.
Oo nga pala, mga pre, yung hood ko hindi ko na siya nakalagay sa timer ha. Kasi hindi siya gumagana.
Pag ganun.
Bali habang nagkakayot, i-slow mo sila or i-stun mo.
Sige.
Naka-cleanse na ako ha. In-cleanse ko na lang yung hood ko. Hindi gumagana yung channeling eh.
Tayo naman
Nadi-disturb
kaya
ako.
pumunta sa kanila pa.
Okay, ready. Okay, go inside. Okay, ready on me. Wait. Ready on me. 3, 2,
Wala pa akong charge, wait lang.
On me. Roll. Spread.
Get ready ah. Get ready.
Tik lang.
Okay. Dropping Judy agad. Blow on the Judy.
Engaging. Defensive.
Defensive. Oliver. Blow.
Sorry, nagamit ko na.
3, 2, 1, drop.
Cleansing.
Size niyo.
Nice one, guys. Nice one.
Saluhin niyo yung mga binabato kong bones. Yung mga kulay green na paddle. Para may heal din kayo.
May CD ba? Just drop.
Base natin yung pinapuntahan nila ha. Wala silang magagawa dyan.
Okay, comms. Pakiayos yung comms.
Sige. Sorry.
Yeah, reset na ulit.
Kaya nyo na mag-disap. Don't chase. Alam mo ang complaint, hindi ko maintindihan.
Brawl. Tawag dito? Full brawl.
May longbow sila, baka brawl club din sila.
Brawl clock yan.
Wait, defensive. Oh, you ready? Go inside. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1, drop. Stop. Go inside. Everybody, go inside. They're low. Dropping duty on me.
Pinabral ako
Papil kay Juicy.
Pinabral kami ni BMR.
Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. Just drop. Roll. Keep rolling. Chase them.
Aray.
Gago.
Kite Northwest. Come Kite Northwest.
BMR na lang healer niya.
Reset.
Sino yung heavy mace natin? Zentrix. Zed, pabantayan si Toothless. Siya yung Kingmaker.
Ayaw
Pag
nila
nakita mo may
ako
stocks siya,
ipakawala. Ayaw nila ako tigilan.
Try mo i-purge.
try may purge yung stocks niya, man.
Gagi, ayaw nila ako tigilan.
Mamatay ka talaga dyan.
Go.
Buhay pa ako.
Stop sila.
Tangina.
Bobo.
Yun yung try i-clap.
Gusto niya mag-clap?
Clap natin. Wait, magkapalit ako ng one hat, please.
Bobo.
Okay.
Sabi ko yung pinatay pa ako. Gago.
Nice. Come guys. Come. Sino yung red na nandun?
Wala na yan, pre. Nahabol na ng surg nila yan siguro.
Uy, balik ka na dito, Tigard. Ay, nasa likod siya. Wait.
Ang adik ni Tigger.
Wait. Hold the choke.
Wait lang, wala pa ako.
Okay.
Wait lang, hindi pa kayo kompleto guys.
Sige lang nila. Hold lang guys. Hold.
Kumukuha ako ng charge ko ha.
Ready,
gusto mo
ready
standing?
your boots Ready your boots, we're gonna go deep. Sa joke sila pre, wait. Don't go to the joke. Come, spread here.
Putang ko.
Here, come.
Putol ng putol.
naman po ta.
Come northeast guys, come northeast.
Gago. Pinakitaan ng puno.
You ready on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Care.
They're looking.
Good.
Spread. Okay, come bro, go inside guys, go inside.
Nagitna. Pwede ka pumasok. Si Tigar pa help.
Yes, come. Go
Ayan,
inside.
back
Okay, kaya mo. Gusto.
Yes, go inside guys. Ready DPS.
Ready.
Okay, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me.
Boy, putang ina mo, ang sakit!
Sorry.
Ubus!
Pusin nyo, putang ina.
Go, chase them.
Def. Tapos pa tayo sa dami.
Dropping duty.
Kahit northwest, come kahit northwest. Pull them northwest.
Nice one.
Kahit northwest.
Ilan nila ako namatay.
May engage pa ba tayo? Okay, ready on me. 5, 4, wait, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Grabe yung pang-rape sa atin sa likod, pre.
Out na. Reset.
Yung tibay. Yung port charmer na nandito na ulit.
Skate. May heal ba tayo? Wait, papilo kay Juicy bro.
Sige.
Try to go.
Yung mga bola-bola ko na lang heal natin dito. Ang hina masyado.
Kill all fish.
Patay nyo nga sa old fish.
Come northeast guys, come northeast na. Pull northeast.
Healers.
Pail. Pariset.
Wala ako.
Yeah. Come. Pakayal ko lang kayo, no? First.
Okay, gusto ko.
Kadi ka.
Front lang.
Come. Pull them here. Dito na ba kayo, guys? Pull them. Holy shit. Paano naman nangyari na huli pa rin kayo dyan? Come southeast. Kid, come southeast. Just kite. Tayo natin kasama natin. Kite. Okay, ready. Okay, ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me.
Gagi, nakatakas.
Spread. Roll. Go inside.
Advance city sila karapol sa chok.
Dropping duty. Wait,
Ayun na
defensive. Nakain ko. Come inside guys. Dropping duty.
Push through.
On the duty. Wait. Ready your DPS. Okay, ready on me. 5,
Ready.
4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me.
Hello?
Wala ba nag-drop ng DPS, guys? Hello.
Patay yata.
Just go, spread and go. Spread. Ready defensive. They have CT. Ready defensive. Ready. Wait. Roll. Spread. Chase them. Nice. Ready on me. Wait.
Ready.
Red with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me.
Ay na, silence.
Explore.
Engaging.
Spread defensive. Let's go. Dropping duty on me.
Need hits sa Judy.
Fail this slow. Roll.
Inside mo na, inside.
CD. Ready on
Yung old fish, oh.
2, 1. On me. Drop. Okay guys, hold.
Get ready, Def. Oo, ang galing yun ah. Out.
Base nila yan.
Innovation nila yun po.
Pre, wag nyo i-type yung base.
Galit na
Wag nyo i-type yung base, pre. Ma-barbecue kayo dyan. May namatay pa
Mali
din sa
yung
base.
bahay na inuwian mo.
Gagi, sino to? May namatay.
Come.
Gagi, masyadong perverted si Wizard, no?
Hey,
Namatay sa base.
Oh, yo,
Message. Don't transport now. Okay. So many spot
Yeah.
in the red zone.
Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna transport the thing.
Good info, good info.
Okay.
Yeah, you killed me, Monobo.
I don't know you, bro.
Alright, clear comes killer, clear comes player, we're fighting.
Okay.
Ready.
Thank you.
Ready. Come inside, guys. Spread inside. Wait.
I'm here.
Wait.
Kinakay tayo.
Hila tayo.
Don't go to the choke. Hold this spot.
May na nga, akong papasok.
Lagyan ng dahon si Zed. Yung mga midi.
Ano si Zed?
Hindi ko siya makita.
Nala. Wait guys. Ready your
Hindi.
boots.
Ayan.
Ready your boots. We're gonna go inside, okay? Ready your boots. Pop your boots.
Nag-engage na yata.
English na si Tigard, go!
Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. On me. Go. Dropping duty. Wait. Dropping duty. Spread, guys. Spread. Find the healer. Come. Go deep, guys. Go deep.
Binabrol na ako.
Papil na. Zed, papil ako kayo.
Engaging and defensive.
Defensive. Okay, ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Just sit there. Wait. Hold. Wait, bro. Let's go. Roll all fish. All. Drop E, all fish if you have drop E. Nice one.
Ikaw akong old fish.
Okay, base na nila. Back off. Si Maru, pa-help.
Pail nga kay Maro. Guys.
Eh, gusto na, back na.
Hello.
Iwan niya na.
Tara na.
Tara, tumakbo na ako.
Kawawa si Tigard kanina. Uy, saan kaya papunta, Mario?
Walang daan dyan, ha? Dito ka lang sa gilid.
Naiwalay na kami ni Juice. Kami nila Mario
Contact
dito.
na kayo. Hiwalay kayo.
Subukan mo. Ikot tayo. Takbo, Zed, takbo.
Ikot na lang.
Ikot na lang.
Papanatan.
Regroup.
Huwag na, idiretso ko na lang. Nakadongki naman ako.
Asa kayo man ang gulo niya gago.
Hindi,
Nag-rap around.
Nahiwalay kami.
Bear engage.
Spread on this. Don't go to the choke. Go to the choke.
Sino tong pula dito?
Ready. We're gonna go deep.
Tigard.
Gonna go deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big team.
Gago,
ubusin mga pagputin.
Defensive. Wait. Come, kahit nga muna. And then go. Come inside, guys. Come inside. Dropping duty. Roll. Then keep rolling. Keep rolling. Spread, guys. Spread. Can someone brawl easily? Wait. Don't go. Come northwest. Hold. Choke yan. Come northwest. Ready
Uy,
defensive. We're gonna counter after they engage. Ready defensive. Okay? Let's spread. We're engaged sila. Ready. Wait. Just roll Gramas. Brawls.
Gago na pindot.
Holy shit. They're looking. Okay, okay, inside in 3, 2, wait, 1. Inside. Roll. All fish, almost dead. Roll. Go inside, guys. Go inside. They don't have city. Go inside. Dropping duty on me. Go inside. They're defensive. Okay, they're defensive. Roll. Spread, guys. Spread.
Engaging.
Okay, defensive.
Bilis mo.
Wait. In 5, 4, 3,
Get ready.
1. On me. Drop. Hold, guys. Hold. Base nila yan.
Busy na yan, guys.
Come northeast. Ito si Isumi na iwan. Gago sa akin.
Gago.
Natanach. Come Northwest, guys. Come Northwest.
Northwest.
Man, pwede ako mag-swap ng Kingmaker.
Oy, on the ping.
Go, 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 go.
Uy, nagputol ulit ng puno si Wizard.
Okay lang yata yung dalawang Kingmaker. That's lang.
Northwest, guys.
Yeah, out na. Takbo na.
Northwest, guys. Come Northwest. Sino naman yung red na nasa kabila?
Titigard dyan, Tigard.
Nang babacklane ka, ha?
Tama lang yung Tigard. Ipagtuloy mo yan.
Guys, go, come back later.
Dito.
Nice go. They looking. Defensive. Okay, ready on me in 5, 4, wait, 3,
Go.
1, inside. Go.
Dropping Judy.
Pasok kayo. Blow nyo to nasa harap. Likod. Blow nyo to nasa harap. Roll Brahmans.
Ready ako ah. Ready ako.
Wait. Defensive. Wait. I'm CD. Roll. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. Only boys. Drop.
Previous man.
Wait, just roll. Roll all fish kasama. Roll this gun. Everybody focus on all fish. Keep all fish. Okay, come Northwest.
Okay, kite.
Come Northwest.
Kite.
Come Northwest.
Kite.
Pwede tayo pumunta sa gitna. Punta tayo sa gitna.
Gago.
Engaging.
Oh my fucking god. Guys, sabi ko mag-kite na kayo. Wait. Ready. Wait.
Dropping Judy. Stabilize.
Stabilize na Judy. Heal na Judy.
Kite ba?
Wait. Okay.
Pwede ba tayo mag-reset nito?
Bus naman ako ah.
Come Northwest. Reset tayo. Walang mana.
No mana healer.
Full kite, guys. Full kite.
Okay, iwan nyo na front, boys. No need to scale. Iwan na.
Tak yan. Uyan yan.
Iwan nyo na yan.
Pamana ka muna. Huwag kayong magpapalo para mag-regenerate yung mana.
Pumunta kayo sa gitna, please.
Ito na yung Mario. Ito na yung mana natin si Mario.
Come southeast.
Z. Malalim ka, Z.
Come southeast, guys. Come southeast.
Uy, balik tayo.
Wait.
Mahirap
Hindi.
magbagsak ng hindi nakakaubos ang mana.
May Royal Armor pa ba tayo? Paspam lang ako.
Wait. MCD. CD pa. Nagpalit tayo ng moves.
Yes, dalhin mo.
Okay. Talago. Punta tayo dito. Leather boots, guys. Wait. After this, sorry. Pop your boots. Go inside. Let me 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Let's go.
Def ah.
Ready, def.
Italy oh, low na yung healer nila oh.
Paano ako?
Def.
Papula ko ulit ako sa likod. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Nandiyan na drop video.
That's main healer, that's main.
Go deep.
Ako na kayo.
Sige. Kaya natin to. Go. May CD kayo?
Gagi, nagtutuloy yung longbow.
Come Northwest.
Boost tayo.
Northwest na? Okay.
Come. Chill na tayo.
2 minutes.
Ayun, wait.
Isa lang.
Tangin, ang ganda nun, boy.
Sakto.
Sayang.
Hindi nakakapag-drop tayo. Di tayo lang.
Snoop, kill ka dito sa kulay, sa win-win ko, Snoop. Lamang pa din tayo sa kills. Kaya
Hindi, akin din mali ko. Kanina hindi maayos DPS ko. Ngayon okay na. Kikingmaker muna ako.
last engage na natin yung dito. Oh.
Scum, guys. Dito kayo. Yan yung sila pumunta dito. Magabal yan.
Content, Northwest.
Last fight na to,
1 minute.
Fight on contact na. 1 minute.
Wala yun nila. Tayo pala sugod.
Gago.
Kaya mo mag-catch?
Wait.
Ito, dismounted na sila.
Go deep. Wait, ready defensive, boy. Ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2. Tangina, naglagaw ko. Go. Drop. Basta go.
Dep. Care. Spread.
Ready. Bro. Find their healer, guys. Find their healer. Defensive. Nice, bro.
Heal Judy.
Come, stabilize in the Judy, guys.
Papi mo ka.
Cleanse.
Bro nyo. Tara, pasok, guys. Pasok.
Backline natin, binabrol backline natin.
Bro nga itong mga healer. Almost dead na healer nila sa southeast. Come. Go. Defensive. Nice. Fail. May duty ba kayo? May duty ka?
Dropping Judy. Ay, panalo na. Nice one.
Ganda.